Students, in this lecture we are going to study conversion of a moving coil galvanometer into a voltmeter. Now, why there is need to convert a galvanometer into a voltmeter? Because of limitations of galvanometer, it cannot be used directly to measure the voltage or potential difference. Let us see these limitations. Consider R is the resistance between points A and B. Let I be the current passing through this resistance R. The potential difference across this resistance R is V and its value is equal to IR. Now we want to measure this potential difference by using galvanometer. To measure potential difference, it is necessary to connect the galvanometer in parallel across those points at which we want to measure potential difference. To connect galvanometer in parallel combination. But now what will happen when this galvanometer is connected in parallel? So at junction A, current is divided into two parts and some part of current will pass through this galvanometer. So current passing through this resistance R is now reduced because some current is passing through this galvanometer. And since value of current through resistance R is reduced, the potential difference across it is also reduced, and this reduced value of potential difference is measured by galvanometer. The first limitation is that galvanometer does not measure actual value of potential difference, but it measures reduced value of potential difference. और ये वैल्यू रिड्यूस क्यों होगा? क्योंकि कुछ पार्ट करंट का पास हो रहा है थ्रू दिस galvanometer. Now let us see second drawback or second limitation. Now if we want to measure large value of potential difference, अगर हम लोगों को large potential difference measure करना है, so to measure large potential difference, large value of current will pass through this resistance, but at this junction some part will pass through this galvanometer. So when current passing through this galvanometer increases, it may damage coil of this galvanometer. So because of this, it cannot be used to measure large potential difference. तो ये हो गया second limitation. Now third limitation. See, when large potential difference is to be measured, तो current passing through this galvanometer will increase, and because of increased value of current through this galvanometer उसका coil damage हो जाता है. तो it is not possible to measure large potential difference by using this galvanometer. तो ये हुआ उसका तीसरा drawback. Now to remove all these drawbacks, we have to do some modifications in galvanometer. तो ये modifications क्या रहेंगे? कि we have to do some arrangement so that it measures actual potential difference. Second modification हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा कि its coil of that galvanometer should be protected from the damage. और third necessary modification क्या करना पड़ेगा कि it should be modified in such a way that it can be used to measure large potential difference. Now all these modifications are achieved by connecting a suitable high value resistance in series with galvanometer. तो कैसे? Let us see. Now connect high value resistance X in series with galvanometer. Now since value of this resistance is very high, तो resistance, effective resistance across this combination विल इंक्रीज, और क्योंकि यहाँ का रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होगा तो करंट पासिंग थ्रू गैल्वेनोमीटर विल डिक्रीज। ऑलमोस्ट नहीं के बराबर करंट यहाँ पे पास होगा, तो यहाँ पे फ्रॉम दिस करंट आई, जो भी पार्ट इज पासिंग थ्रू दिस गैल्वेनोमीटर इट विल डिक्रीज, दिस करंट पासिंग थ्रू दिस गैल्वेनोमीटर विल डिक्रीज एंड ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट विल पास थ्रू दिस रेजिस्टेंस आर। तो अभी यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस आर में से करंट रिड्यूस नहीं हो रहा है, तो इट विल नाउ मेजर करेक्ट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस दिस रेजिस्टेंस आर। तो अभी गैल्वेनोमीटर करेक्ट वैल्यू ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेजर करेगा। तो ये फर्स्ट ड्रॉबैक रिमूव हो गया। नाउ सेकेंड वन, लिमिटेशन क्या था कि लार्ज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस में कॉज डैमेज ऑफ कॉइल। नाउ व्हेन वी वांट टू मेजर लार्ज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, तो करंट पासिंग थ्रू दिस रेजिस्टेंस increases, we will increase this current. Now value of this high resistance is adjusted in a such a way that कि only Ig part of current will pass through this galvanometer, and Ig is that current for which galvanometer shows full scale deflection, and this is the maximum current which galvanometer can bear. So here we select value of X in such a way that only Ig part will pass through this galvanometer and all the remaining part of current will pass through this resistance. So here coil of this galvanometer is protected from damage and we get exact value of potential difference across this resistance R. अभी थर्ड ड्रॉबैक क्या था कि it cannot be used to measure large potential difference, तो इसी के साथ ये ड्रॉबैक भी रिमूव हुआ। When we want to measure large potential difference, so at that time X means high resistance value in series with galvanometer is selected in such a way that whatever desired potential difference we want to measure, we can measure it. तो ये वैल्यू कैसे सिलेक्ट करेंगे that we are going to see. Before that, ये दो पॉइंट को हम लोग ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं। देखो, V is potential difference we want to measure, but when galvanometer and this high value of resistance is connected in series, तो यहाँ का potential difference जो है between points A and B, ये दो resistance के बीच में divide हो जाएगा, right? तो let Vg be the potential difference across galvanometer and Vx be the potential difference across this high resistance. तो अभी गैल्वेनोमीटर कॉइल इज प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम लार्ज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, क्योंकि इसका रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है, ये हाई वैल्यू है, तो यहाँ का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ज़्यादा रहेगा और इसका पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कंपेयर्ड कम रहेगा। तो गैल्वेनोमीटर कॉइल इज प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम डैमेज एंड वॉट एवर डिजायर्ड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस वी वॉन्ट टू मेजर वी कैन मेजर इट। तो ये दोनों ड्रॉबैक दूर हो गए। नाउ सी हियर, this combination is measuring potential difference between points A and B. तो ये जो combination है galvanometer with high value of series resistance, this is called voltmeter. तो let us see its proper diagram and obtain formula for X. When galvanometer is connected with high value of series resistance, it is converted into voltmeter. तो ये वोल्टमीटर का डायग्राम। नाउ टू ऑब्टेन हाई रेजिस्टेंस X, टू कन्वर्ट गैल्वेनोमीटर इनटू वोल्टमीटर, लेट G be the resistance of galvanometer, Ig is current passing through this galvanometer. For series combination, same current will pass through this resistance X also, and let V be the potential difference which is to be measured. Remember, this is maximum value of potential difference or voltage to be measured. Now, in voltmeter, Vg is potential difference across galvanometer and Vx is potential difference across resistance X. Therefore, we can write V is equal to Vg plus Vx. Now, By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Therefore, Vg is equal to Ig into G and Vx is equal to Ig into X. So write down, taking Ig common, rearrange for X. Therefore, X is equal to V upon Ig minus G. So to measure potential difference V, this is the value of high resistance X to be connected in series with galvanometer. Scale of voltmeter is calibrated in units of potential difference or voltage. Now, if V is equal to N into Vg, where N is the factor by which voltage range can be increased, then V is equal to N into Ig into G. Because Vg is voltage across galvanometer, it is product of current passing through the galvanometer into resistance of galvanometer. Now from equation X is equal to V upon Ig minus G, substitute V and we get Ig cancelled, so this is shortcut formula to get value of X. In this lecture we have seen limitations of galvanometer to be used to measure potential difference directly. These are limitations. In short, it measures smaller value of potential difference causing an error in the measurement. Large voltage cannot be measured by it. And third one, large voltage applied across it damages coil of the galvanometer. Necessary modifications to convert moving coil galvanometer into voltmeter are: first, its voltage measuring capacity should be increased. Its effective resistance must be increased, and third, it must be protected from damage. So we use high value of series resistance. So its uses in short, it increases the resistance of galvanometer. Second, it increases the voltage range of voltmeter, and third, it protects the instrument from the damage. One more important point, voltmeter should have high resistance. Reasons: first, a voltmeter as instrument which is used to measure potential difference between any 2 points of the circuit. Therefore, it is connected in parallel with the component across which potential difference is to be measured. Second, the introduction of voltmeter should not disturb the original potential difference, but smaller resistance of a voltmeter may divert large current, and it will lead to measure smaller potential difference and greater will be the error. तो ये हम लोगों ने limitations में देखा. Third, to divert a negligible part of current, its resistance should be as large as possible. And last, very important point, ideal voltmeter has infinite resistance. Practically it is not possible, but we keep its value as large as possible.